I'll start over. Create a new job. Alright, it's Jason with TPS 8118 Ocean View, Whittier. So we're in the ABS right now. This is the new pipe that they installed. Now we're in clay. So it goes about 10 feet and then it drops into clay. There's a major root right there. It's 15 feet out.
Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's where we had a puncture through. There's another line right there. You see where the crack? That's where the Y is at.
That's the crack in it.
You see?
The dual crack.
Okay.
So that won't be another major when it comes to roots.
Mm-hmm. How do we address that?
You'd have to shoot the liner in there and possibly dig it up and replace it.
Okay. Possibly not for sure.
Well, I have to talk to my liner guy and see what he can do.
Okay.
See, this offsets right here. This one's up.
So that's in the clay though, right?
Yeah.
So that was something that it possibly shifted somehow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pull back, look at a little crack right here. See that?
Yep.
It's cracked all down the side. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, the liner will just lines it and basically we'll get rid of all this. Another offset back there.
This is something that's probably been like this for years.
See the offset right here?
Yeah. So yeah, that has nothing to do with what was done recently then?
No.
Okay. Gotcha. All right.
It's a pretty good run though. It's a
Yeah.
little bit of a distance. Pull back a little bit. You got more cracks right here. You see those?
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely need to line this pipe.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's priority though.
Yeah, it's gotta be done.
Somebody's got to pay for it.
All right. Whoa, this whole thing's cracked on the side. See that whole crack on the side right here?
Yep.
Yeah, the whole tire pipe's got a crack.
Awesome.
It's on both sides.
There.
There.
Offset,
Wow.
crack, giant crack.
Yeah.
This whole pipe's cracked. This needs to be done. Yeah,
See the top crack.
Yes, this whole thing's cracked. Spiral crap around the whole side.
So this is something that can be, you think, because of all the cracks, it can be lined?
Yeah, it can be. We can line it. As long as we don't wait too long for it to, I mean, if it collapses, then,
right there.
yeah. If we wait too long and then it collapses, then we're screwed. We'll have to dig it up and replace the whole thing by hand.
So when are we lining it?
Let me,
You're gonna, you
paper
said
on it.
you have to do the power, whatever.
¿Tiene mi agua quinto?
yeah, we're gonna have to jet it. And so this two-way cleanout will be included in the liner. So now this is not gonna. It's the two-way cleanout will be part of the liner. So that will be included in the price of the liner.
No, aquí no.
Yeah.
No, vea, decirle agua porque no te baja esa bola. I'm gonna get it to where the roots at. I'm just wanting him to see that clump, the white stuff right here.
Yeah, this little toilet paper.
Okay, I got it. Okay, you see how roots are coming right there?
More roots right here. Is that your phone?
Yeah, that was my phone. right there.
Oh, yeah,
So
Wow.
we're right there by the shovel's at.
Yeah.
That's where the line for the seeding. It drops more, and that's where your roots are coming in. So that's your major, and then we're like right about here. The other major, because of these roots right here. That's where you're having your main. This one's your main one right here. This big root right here.
Yeah.
So it's going somewhere this way. What the guys did this, they should have cut this first before they even throw in the line.
Right.
So, because it's growing, it's just pushing, and it's starting to just push in. So, between here, you got one root line, and then you got the other root line over there. So you got two problems.
Yeah, more than two problems. They got cracks everywhere,
And you can see the one where I pushed, I had to push in, you can see that little hole that just barely broke in past the camera. Where you seen the first one, all the roots. Yeah, that's what.
I think you're way farther than that. It says it's a 81 feet, so it's right on the street. Pushing. Pull back.
It's cracked right there.
Big ass crack on the side. Pull back. Yeah, see, that's a major crack right there. See that one?
Yeah.
That's not good. Alright, keep going.
There,
Yeah.
see?
Yeah, it's,
And then it goes right there. You see it?
Yep. Crack's
That one went down.
I hate this thing. We're in reception up here. Yeah, what's up? What are you guys doing? Okay. All right. Bye.
Okay. Well,
All right, I'll get you an estimate for the liner, and we'll continue digging this out.
whatever it's gonna cost, get it done.
Okay, got it. It's not gonna be cheap. I just want you to know. I mean, it's gonna be. I'll go as low as I can. I mean, I can do $90 a foot. Most companies are charging $200 a foot.
But I don't know what that translates to.
Yeah, well, I have to get
90. I mean, what are we talking? It has to be done.
Yeah, it's gonna be a few grand. You know,
I'm okay with that.
I just want to make sure.
I mean, no, Jason.
Yeah.
I just know that we have to. I'm like, so like, honestly, I know, obviously,
They did a shoddy job on that, for sure.
I will have a conversation with my realtor. There's nothing she can do, but I don't know.
I always try to tell everyone before you buy a house, get a sewer inspection.
I should have done that.
Actually, a realtor is supposed to check that lines. Because most, like in Riverside, they have that problem. They sell the house and all of a sudden, like a month later, water's already filling it up. They just.
I've never had to worry about this before. Because there's always been we thought this was never something for us.
Oh, yeah?
So, yeah. So I guess we've been really fortunate.
Yeah, probably. Alright, well, we'll get you taken care of.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
When I said close before.
Oh, it's probably going to be more than that. I'm going to have to find out exactly where it drops into this main. And no, he's not. We won't have to go. We'll be digging here the street.
Okay.
We'll be shooting the liner from right here. They'll shoot it from right here all the way to the city connection.
And that the process is digging, put the clean outs in today, and then come back to do.
And then we're gonna have to leave it open so they can pull the cleanouts out that we put in, and then they'll shoot the liner through there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
It's not a problem. We
Okay.
got it covered.
Cool.
It is what it is, right?
Yep. Exactly. I can't tell where it drops in the city. It's hard to, I mean, it's hard to see where it goes in.
Where it hits.
What do you mean?
Well, you know what, we have that problem with putting in the camera. That's where it hits, and then when it goes, it just goes down.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Then once it goes down, then it gets where that root.
I don't want to give her an estimate and it be way more than that. You know what I mean? Like, what if it's fucking?
Just start it off where that root is at. You want to recount it, and start it. You want to take the USB?